You Need a Budget is a popular budgeting app designed to help you take control of your finances. Here's how to use the YNAB app effectively. Sign up and download. Sign up for a YNAB account on their website or download the app from the App Store or Google Play. Log in with your new account credentials. Link your accounts. Link your bank accounts, credit cards, and other financial accounts to YNAB. This allows the app to automatically import transactions. You can also manually enter transactions if you prefer not to link accounts. Set up your budget. Create a budget by allocating your money to different categories such as rent, groceries, entertainment, and savings. YNAB uses a zero-based budgeting method, meaning every dollar is assigned a job. Ensure your income is fully allocated. Track spending. Monitor your spending by reviewing transactions imported from your accounts. Categorize each transaction to keep your budget accurate. YNAB will update your budget categories to reflect your spending. Adjust as needed. Regularly review your budget and adjust categories as necessary. If you overspend in one category, move funds from another category to cover the shortfall. Use the Age of Money feature to see how long your money lasts and work towards increasing this number. Set goals. Set financial goals within YNAB, such as saving for a vacation, building an emergency fund, or paying off debt. Allocate funds towards these goals and track your progress over time. Use reports. Utilize YNAB's reports to analyze your spending habits, income, and net worth. These insights help you make informed financial decisions.